My dad and my uncle started logging in 1977, the year I was born. So I've been in the logging all my life, essentially. I like being out in the woods and running equipment. Probably my most favorite part of the logging business. We got a good team of folks. Some of them have been with us since we started Triple J Logging. So we've been very blessed to be able to keep some people as long as we have. We just try to treat our people with respect and keep them in nice equipment. We've grown so much over a period of 19, 20 years. And in 2001, we had one crew. Now we're running 3 logging crews and 2 contract crews, and with just 3 to 4 people in. Now we're running about 40 to 45 employees. There's a big demand, so we just got to get the products moving to where they need to go. John Deere's a well-built machine. I just like the performance and the quality of the product that they build. So they deal with all different kind of terrain. You may be cutting on a mountainside one day and in a swamp the next. We have a Tract feller buncher to help with the real steep terrain that it's a little more difficult to get to with a rubber tired feller buncher. But the 843L feller buncher, I like it. It's a lot heavier on the rear end, and the H and the J are just all around good machine for clear cutting and thinning. Well, I use the 948. We like it for the long distance skids that we have sometimes on these rougher tracks that we have to cut. Use the 748 because it's still big enough to bring a good load from the woods and a little more versatile, a little easier to maneuver around. The John Deere Bogie Skidder is hands down as good to me as a regular 4-tire skidder. It'll handle a load better in boggy conditions. It'll handle a heavier load in wetter conditions than a regular 4-wheel skidder, and it's just all around better in my book for productivity and ground disturbance. You don't tear the ground up near as bad with the Bogie Skidder. It's just well suited for the terrain and our environment. It rides excellent. It's the Bogie, you travel over the stumps and it feels more like you're riding in your pickup than beating and banging around in a skidder. It's a lot more comfortable. It's gonna be a lot easier on the operator at the end of the day. With a longer boom and the arch on the machine, you can really position your wood a lot more maneuverable than the regular shorter boom skidders that we're running right now. I think it's a pretty good machine all in all. I feel like it's built very well to do what we need it to do.